Okay, sup guys. Oh, yeah, just live trade the Fed here. So yeah, that's it. Let me just set everything up. Okay, I think we are good. So let me let me Okay guys, so we'll start the live here. As you can see, yesterday we dropped pretty hard, which I didn't expect, to be fair. I thought maybe we will trade the highs here, but yeah, we didn't and we dropped. Right now, I still think we are going to go higher a bit, because of the China deal, basically. So euphoria traders will jump in, probably. Uh, a lot of people expect the deal to be great, to uh, go well for China and US. So some forex trader might get in. I think we will most likely do something maybe like this. Today we'll trade a bit higher. We'll catch those forex traders trapped here above the our local high, and probably go lower from that. At least that's what I want to see. Right now, what I'm watching at BTC will be the takeout of Asian session pure lows here. Even though we dropped pretty hard yesterday, I still think today's Fed most likely will push price a bit higher. It will be a nice opportunity to catch this traders trapped, basically, because if we will be going up on Fed, and the next day we have a China deal, like most likely we're going to sell the news, and the news is our opportunity for retail traders to get in, basically. So that's my take on this. So I think we might go a bit higher today. So for me, I want to see a nice sweep of these pure lows here, um, and yeah, that will be my long setup. So on BTC, so I'm waiting, price dropping here, sweep or just a deviation, and we'll go a bit higher from that probably. Let me just close my window, guys. Okay, the next level, like I said, will be the highs here. Waiting for a sweep, basically. So something like this, maybe, close below the highs, and we will probably drop from there. And also, it's matching with my take on Fed and China deal. Okay, so let me just check the lower time frames. If if there's possibility we have something on lower time frames here. Okay. I will need to open the trading view real quick here. Okay, so I just want to see if how's the session are looking. We still are, for the pre-market, but yeah, ideally I want to sweep here, but we can get a sweep there on pre-market if we will be dropping, if we will be able to drop there, sweep of these lows here. Lately we are front running the levels pretty hard, and so yeah, that will be a nice opportunity also to catch this trade. Also, let me check the open interest. Okay, so we have some orders, pretty big orders here. Some spoofing here. But the OI, as you can see, we're opening some longs here, and right now we are sidelined. Most likely we are sidelined. So yeah, we might, a puke here might catch these traders, hit their stop losses, and we might actually move from here. So that's another level to watch. Okay, I will need to have my tweet deck opened because of the Fed, but right now I don't need this. And also let me, here's the TPO chart if someone is interested, but on Bybit we didn't lift pure lows here, so that's why I not even looking at this right now. So we might close it. As you can see, we can also retest the naked point of control here, but it's not something I'm very interested in, because we moved higher, no, I mean lower, sorry, and there's a gap here, which we can fill into the weekly VWAP basically. So that might be a nice opportunity if we won't be able to push past those levels. What is here? Quarterly VWAP, weekly VWAP, and monthly VWAP. So strong level here to hold in. If we will get a sign of weakness here, I think we might also dropped from this level, so we can mark this one. And basically what we are trying to do is fill this singles here. As you can see, the 30-minute fair value gap. So yeah, that's a nice level here. Okay, and I think that's all. So let me move on to ETH. So on ETH, yesterday I was looking on for these pure lows here to you know, sweep them and move higher. From that we puked through them. We nicely moved from our level here, but unfortunately it was hard to enter the trade. So yeah, so we don't have any entries here. Right now how it's looking, I think those lows here might be a pretty nice opportunity, but actually let me check first the OI. So people are probably, yes, right now shorts are getting squeezed, shorts are puking, and people, yeah, here people are opening new longs. You know, basically both sides both sides play in this range, so it's hard on the open interest to get some information from it. But let me actually check the, okay, by the way, yeah, that's funny, but yes, still looking there. I didn't look, I was looking at the ETH chart, so yeah, the pure lows on the ETH charts, so they are just right here, I think. So let me open the normal TPO for ETH. I'm very interesting what would happen, to be fair. We pushed price higher very early. Of course, you know, the font is priced, but still we pushed price very early, and I think it's not the healthier option, I will say, because we should really like push price maybe yesterday, you know, and yesterday we puked actually, so it's taking my confidences a bit, but I'm still I think, you know, what I still think I know what will happen. That's what I want to say, because the pump was crazy, and also like we did a great job, you know, to create the FOMO basically, because a lot of people get in on these longs at the top, so yeah, they are trapped. I mean, probably they're not in positions right now because they got liquidated or something like this, but yeah, we puked earlier. I thought maybe, you know, today we will get a bit slight push up, and then we'll puke, but yeah, we puked earlier, so that's actually interesting. But I think right now, you know, not much can happen. We either not going to do anything and stay in consolidation basically, like this here, or maybe we'll push price into some levels. Yeah, we'll see. You know, also the Trump deal, I think, is more likely. The people wait more for it, to be fair. Not many people are interested in cut rates right now, I think, because the because basically the people who are getting trapped constantly, they got manipulated by Trump. So yeah, I think their their interest is in Trump right now, not in the Fed. So yeah, let me actually see how the rates probabilities looks like, and probabilities expectations. Yeah, basically 100% people yeah, are 100%. That's crazy. Okay, and basically no one thinks people will hike the rates, so that's also crazy. But yeah, maybe Powell will not change the rates and will probably drop hard, to be fair. So yeah, but we'll see what is going to happen. Still we have some time, and the rate is FOMC meeting is in 5 hours. So yeah, we still have some time, and yeah, we just gotta wait, man. Let me do the analysis. Let me go back to the analysis real quick. So on if we are playing this range basically, pure lows lived on the Asian session in London. To be fair, I'm more interested in the London sessions, because the Asian session, as you can see here, are like in no man land basically. Of course, if we will be able to sweep them here like this, drop and sweep close above, we can expect price to move a bit higher from it. But yeah, I think I'm more interested in those lows here. Like, they're pretty clean, double bottom here, so they might get the stop loss might get triggered here. So I'm watching them, and just real quick open the footprint chart in case something will happen on BTC. Real fast, I will mark the levels here. Okay, that's fine, I think. I will not mark this one. I'll just look for it. On US Open, basically, I would like to see a puke, maybe before, because Fed is in 5 hours, US Open is in 2, so that will match with time. Time will match basically, because faster puke like pre-market will most likely puke again on after the FOMC. I want to have a position like on US Open people will start buying, so on Fed we are going to puke. If we will puke on the US Open, I think later we might catch a quick pump, and again we'll puke, or maybe will not, because of the China deal. Okay, on Solana, I'm just watching those highs here. Not really much to trade on lower time frames. Basically are ranging in on 1 minute chart, but yeah, I think today we shouldn't really be playing like most of the altcoins. I can check them if you want. If you want some analysis on some altcoin, just type in the chat the ticker, and I will check those. But yeah, So right now I'm just trying to not really play the altcoins, maybe if and maybe I don't know, Doge, Solana, if it will give something XRP, like the major the major ones, because of course the cut rate. So most people still are betting on BTCs, not altcoins. Like, I mean, like news driven a move basically. So yeah, I think we will get a push, like, you know what I mean. We shouldn't be really playing the altcoins because of the news today. And yeah, basically on most of the altcoins there's also nothing to play after yesterday's drop. Hype grabbed my highs here, and not much happened actually, but we are currently in the range here. If we'll be even posting, like, if we plot the the volume profile, maybe not from here, okay, just like this. I can see even on this one here, like, we really can't get past here. Once we are going through the value area high, we know we are dropping huge effort put, and still we drop huge effort. Most likely we are going to drop. Maybe even we could get an entry after the break of structure here of this low. But like I said, I don't want to play the altcoins that much today, so I will probably not do this. And also, if we will be able to sweep maybe here, even the value area low, leave the nice tail here, nice week, not even with sweeping this week here, but that will be the most ideal thing we can get. Yeah, that will be a nice opportunity to long the market on hype, and it's probably not going to happen today, so I think we will leave this alert on. Okay, basically, as you can see, most altcoins, not the cleanest price action and structure. Basically, what I will want to see is just a puke, and catch the puke and go higher with some buys on BTC. But like I said, probably BTC will puke because most of the people are betting on BTC. With this type of news, most people are in BTC, so it wouldn't make really much sense. We would get a nice basically we'll just get a bigger return on BTC if we will drop. If we will be able to catch a trade, on BTC, we will just get a better return. But yeah, most of the price action look the same, and we can mark those levels here because why not? As you can see, we grabbed nicely the level on XRP right there. There wasn't any entry opportunities, we left pure lows. So yeah, as you can see on XRP, we can also sweep the highs here. Let me actually check the TPO chart. How's the highs looking? They look good, but like I said earlier, no altcoins today. Also, it's the end of the month, so you know we can't really get like it doesn't make sense to chase PNL basically now, because it's already like too late. It was probably the worst month in this year, and I think even like in 2 years of my trading, being profitable and all this, it is probably the worst month in my career basically. But it was hard month, you know, the manipulation, you know, not just like, I know I didn't make that much of a return because I didn't play stupid trades basically. I did play what I supposed to do, and I got money on it, but not on the things I shouldn't play. And yeah, I think it's good that we didn't do it. So yeah, what can I say? So guys, I will just eat real quick, and so I will mute myself. And if someone will come here, I will unmute and talk with you guys. So yeah, I will just real quick. I will mute myself and also turn off the screen. I will even make a real fast screen here. Let me actually do this real quick here. Okay, like this. Okay, guys. So yeah, I will mute myself and we will get back really quick. Okay, guys, I'm back. Yeah, so right now we're just waiting. The pre-market started. Not yet, I mean, but we closed to start on the pre-market, so we are waiting for a puke, basically, and we'll catch those traders trapped. I hope. Let me go back here to 5-minute chart, and I will be looking for this low here to get swept. Like I said earlier. And let me move here to BTC. Yes, right now, not much can happen. Basically, we are having the pretty clean TPO chart, session based. But I think we might just puke a bit on under the London lows, sweep them, or even maybe this high here. So yeah, we are waiting. Actually, positioning looks pretty interesting. People I think are starting getting into some shorts. Altcoins, I don't want to play altcoins because of the news today, which is pretty explainable, I would say, because we shouldn't just play them. We don't really know what will happen. Basically, the alt can give you a nice setup and shit, but BTC will just puke randomly on the news to get them to get traders out of their positions, or just leave them trapped, or something like this. So no altcoins trade today. It looks like we are really okay. So no, we dropped basically on funding a bit, so some shorts are opening here also. But yeah, right now, as you can see, we are sidelined, so not much we can do. But we didn't puke. That's a great sign, because there was huge openings here. We opened and we didn't puke yet. So, god damn, sorry. So yeah, we are just still waiting for this puke to come, and then we can move higher without our longs. Basically, that's what I want. Basically, what I want is to people to get them out of their positions. As the more people will fuck, basically, the better. So yeah. I'll log out real quick here. I don't have it bought. It's pretty expensive, and I'm just using ATES right now, but this is awesome. That's an awesome tool here. But yeah, it's too expensive. I'm not that good yet. I mean, it's not that expensive, but I don't want to get to pay for it, when basically I have the same shit here. But yeah, it's just better. Also, there's aggregated footprint, aggregated TPO. Yeah, it's a better tool, but whatever. What can I do? But it don't want to look. It don't want to load, so I guess not. We are not using this today. Yes, right now I'm just waiting. As you can see, we are pushing a bit on, especially on if. So I would like to really get a sweep here. Yeah, we'll see what is going to happen. Actually, doesn't look bad. The 50-minute confirmation will be the best. As you can see, market order bubbles are starting to pop, and that's a great sign for potential absorption. I would maybe not a great sign, but if the absorption will happen, you know, that's another confluence for us, because that means a lot of sorry, a lot of buys came in. So yeah, the delta peaked a bit, so that is looking actually good. And let me just real quick move here to the TPO and my flows chart. 50-minute. You guys can't really see that because it's on my other screen, and I don't want to mess shit up, so I will not show you. I will take a screen for you guys. But yeah, so the TPO, actually we have pure highs today on 4K35, so yeah, that are highs. So you know, we might leave a tail and can came back to the to our profile here, basically. So yeah, that is an opportunity for us here, and maybe short the markets if we won't be able to break. But to be fair, it is not like the best play we can get. So I will be hesitant to play it, basically, because we still did not moved. But yeah, because if we will be able to push you know, failed swing here on in like 50 minutes or something like that after the pre-market open, that will be actually, yeah, that will be not will be it won't be the bet actually, because yeah, the timing will be okay. I mean, yeah, we can keep an eye on it, basically. Okay, but my internet is not working right now. Which is not ideal. guys. If can push, BTC also is going for the highs here. Probably, if we want show some signs of weakness on BTC, I don't want to trade the ETH. And if we will show the sign of weakness on BTC, I will probably choose to trade BTC, like I said before. So yeah, right now we are just waiting. To be fair, sweep of the highs wouldn't be the dumbest thing, because like I said, I'm pretty bullish right now, even though higher time frame I think will drop, but intraday we are probably going to move higher. Later we are going to drop, I don't know, Friday, maybe next week, something like that, the pricing of the newses basically. So sell the news. But today I'm pretty bullish because of the China deal. We're still waiting for. So yeah. So if we will be able to push higher, not close, above, sweep the highs, fade swing, then we will take a short, and basically we'll leave those traders trapped here. Then we will drop, leave the sellers trapped, and then on the US Open we can move higher and probably sell off on the Fed outcome, or just stay in this consolidation here, come back to the consolidation here, consolidate a bit, and then move to the highs here, sweep them and go lower again. But yeah, we just need to wait. Right now not much happening, so yeah. Let me guys play some music. Nice, even highs on these sessions. That's nice actually. Okay. So yeah, we are pushing. Let me check the structure here. Not much we can do here. Basically, I don't want to leave the pure highs. If we will leave, that's also a nice opportunity for a later short. If we won't be able to push past this, do something like this, then later we can go. But yeah, that's just my wish. So yeah. Actually, let me check the OI. Yeah, right now we are puking. So that's great. Probably a nice puke will be happening. We are picking the shorts, and yeah, if we'll be able to like basically puke both sides. First we'll not go past this high, puke the shorts, then we'll puke the longs. Yeah, that will be a nice opportunity. But yeah, we still have time. US isn't open yet, so we gotta wait and hope for the best. Not much. Let me check the X. What people are thinking about the Fed. As you can see, this guy, some scammer guy, but he's posting, for retail basically, and if retail is buying that, like let's say he posted, let me actually find something. I'm sure he posted some shit today also. Yeah, I mean, even something like this, all season index is starting to reverse, bro. It's not like, look at this shit, please. Oh god, man, what the fuck is this? But you know, retail traders see this, and they like, yeah, okay, let's beat some altcoins. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm observing him, because let's say on the Fed today, he might be posting like, I don't know, like, let's say, Powell is going to cut the rates. We are super bullish and shit, and retail traders would like to will be trying to get in the longs, to catch the move, and we are probably going to puke them. That's why I'm watching, and it's a nice indicator. Okay, let me pick up the phone real quick. Okay, guys, we closed pretty down on the 5-minute chart, but still, it's looking good. We are picking some shorts here. We shouldn't really pick that much. We were pretty silent, but some people were getting into short, but it was rather, this quick shorts here, or somewhere near here, basically. On this move, people were getting into shorts, so you are picking them. So yeah, if we won't be able to go past that, some absorption signs, I will probably short the market here, but we'll see. The pre-market will open in like 15 minutes, something like this. So yeah, right now we are just watching this high here on ETH. Also, we'll check if something is happening. As you can see, some order bubbles here, even though we're puking on OI. The market order bubbles are starting to pull up. That might mean either stop losses get triggered, which, as you can see on OI, is probably the case. Also market orders, buys are coming into the market here. But yeah. I want to check something, but I forget what. I think I'm good right now. It doesn't look the best. Oh, sorry guys. It doesn't look the best for a short here on TPO, but it looked good for a puke, and I think it will be the case. You know, we'll puke on the US Open, move higher again, puke again later. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Again. Okay. 1 sec. Also, as you probably know, if someone is interested in it, as you can see, we puked historically on gold. Right now, we puked from the top 11%. So yeah, it's super nice opportunity to buy. I was buying, you know, here I think, or here. No, on the monthly. Yeah, so here I was buying on the monthly VWAP retest. As you can see, the monthly VWAP gave us some nice support throughout the move. As you can see, every time we puked to it, basically we just moved higher from that. So yeah, that was a nice trade. Let me check the yearly VWAP also, how this is looking. Okay, we didn't actually did much, but the yearly standard deviation, first standard deviation was holding us pretty good. But yeah, the monthly VWAP was the case in my trading decision to buy the puke. I bought here, as you can see here. Sorry, as you can see, we traded below. I bought lower here, so my entry is somewhere around there, basically. And then we puked again. You know, it wasn't like a trade, like, you know, like a scalp or something like this, even a swing or something. I bought it because I think gold will go higher. We have also a nice opportunity to at least, you know, came back to this liquidity here from the double top. We have a nice opportunity with China there, because in case the China deal won't be that good as people are expecting, you know, gold might probably move. And also, you know, with discounts like this, you just gotta take the opportunity, like. So yeah, after this puke I bought basically the top, the bottom, something here, I bought, and right now I'm up on this trade here. So yeah, this one goes pretty well right now. As you can see, we are also managing to came back to the range lows, and if we will be able to push higher, into the monthly VWAP again, and yeah, the monthly VWAP probably will be our resistance for some time. But yeah, if I like I'm saying, I think gold will go up. So I'm hoping we will be able to break the monthly VWAP and to move higher. So yeah, that's it, guys, on the gold. On silver, I also bought the bottom around there, and also a couple smaller positions I took in the range. But yeah, actually, okay, we are grabbing the high. Right now, I'm still waiting for a push a bit higher. On Binance, basically, yeah, we didn't sweep this yet. We touched it, but yeah, we'll still wait. Let me check the OI chart. So not here, huge puke, as you can see. So yeah, that's looking pretty good. Yeah, but we still did not take the London high. So yeah, we need to wait on if we didn't take out the high. And let me check the order flow here. How is looking? The delta is pretty nice. 200 and 200 here, so it's not that big, but some buys are, as you can see, are stepping in. So yeah, we might leave them trapped if we will be able to push and close below the high. So yeah, we are watching. Let me actually check something real quick. I will stay with you guys here, but I don't want to show you that. I want to see how my gold and silver positions are looking. Okay, we are up. That's nice. But yeah, we'll still we are up, but we still have to go a bit. Actually, I will take a screen of my positions because of this broker. I don't know how to even get a fucking like position, like I don't know how to say that. Okay, whatever. But yeah, these are my entries on gold. So first entry was here, then here, then here, and then here. So 4 position I took. This was the biggest one on these lows here, and yeah, we are up right now, and probably something similar on XAU. Oh, sorry, I didn't have a screen. Okay, one more time. Okay, so here's my third position, second one, third and fourth one. So yeah, I'm up right now because of this one here, and the second one is the third one is also in profit right now, and I want to go past around the third, if we'll be able to push past the third, the monthly VWAP, I will be in nice profits, but yeah, we'll see what is going to happen. Right now I'm watching the BTC here, also the 30-minute close. Yes, so right now we are leaving the pure highs here on London. So if we'll be able to consolidate a bit here, do something like this on on the US Open, we'll sweep them. That will be a nice short opportunity, but also we can go past it. Well, yeah, we leave pure highs here. So I need to watch the US Open right now. So yeah, I think I will get back to you guys on the US Open, but the ETH is pushing, so that might be actually a nice opportunity, but I don't think I will take it, to be fair, because the BTC is probably not going to trade through the highs, but yeah, we'll see. Let's get away now, guys. guess we're puking hard. Yes, right now I'm watching for these lows. Let me actually check the OI situation, because I think we might getting... No, we don't have any activity basically. So yeah, I think the short traders got puked. And right now, no one is getting in. But if we'll be able, probably if we will be able to go maybe here, but looks like not. But you know, maybe here we'll catch those traders shorting again, which is fine for us. And also let me check the if here. Not much we can do on the TPO here, so let me change the chart here to the TPO of the if, and we are watching for take of these lows here, or maybe you know this on if, and there they are, and you will see what is going on. And like I said, you know, not much we can do on altcoins, you know, maybe Link, sorry, XRP. No, what was this? Okay, AVEX. Maybe something here, you know, if we'll be able to puke down there. But yeah, on altcoins, not much we can do right now. So yeah, I'm waiting for a puke here. You know, it's pre-market right now, so if we are either going lower or just consolidate here and then took out one side and then move. But yeah, right now we are just waiting. Check the flows. Okay, nice delta. Now if we'll be able to push down here, it actually might be a nice opportunity, but yeah, right now not much we can do. Let me actually try one more time to log this chart here, which you guys don't see, but it's pretty important one, to be fair. Okay, it works now. We lived pure highs, like I said, on BTC. Huge puking right now, but not much. You know, OI skew is in the midpoint right now. Order book also, so yeah, not much happening right now on the charts. But yeah, we might catch actually some trades. You know, nice volatility. So yeah, we just gotta wait and see what is going to happen. close to the level. So yeah, and if also probably next 5 minutes candle will either sweep this low or close below and go for the lows. We'll see. It's matching up pretty nice, you know. If is looking nice, to be fair, but yeah, right now we just need to wait. As you can see, not much happened here. The US is just opened, but yeah, right now we are waiting and we'll see what is going to happen. In the next 5 minutes candle probably. Okay, we are grabbing the lows. I mean, at least we touched them at least. Okay, BTC grabbed. That's interesting, but Bitcoin lows wasn't that good actually. But let me check the flows. Fuck. Wait, guys. Okay, so we probably want to do this one because first of all, the flows, which are not looking the best. To be fair, of course we leave the sellers trapped there, but yeah, I mean, okay, the flows doesn't look that bad actually, but as you can see, the candle doesn't want to close. Well, okay, it all happened on 1 minute chart also, the whole move. So right now we're just waiting, and depends on how we'll close. We'll decide if we are going to open. Probably not, because you see how it's looking right now. So yeah, we're just probably gonna wait and took out the lows here, or maybe even move lower. I don't know. We'll see. It doesn't look good right now, But yeah, for sure we are not going to take the long here. So yeah, right now just gonna wait again and see what is going to happen. We took the low, but as you can see we are closing negative, basically. So yeah, no entry reasons for me here. Maybe we'll push, but still it's not something we are going to trade here because it looks shit. Like, okay, it's not looking good. Check the 1 minute chart. Okay, we retested and closing pretty good, so that might be actually a reason to go. Okay, let me check the OI. Okay, some shorts are getting in, and that's nice actually, because yeah, that's nice. Okay, let me actually try this. I think we can try. Are we trying, guys? I'm hesitant because it doesn't look good. Okay, fuck this. I'm not trading this. You know, we are waiting for a nice setup, because it doesn't look good. I wouldn't be alright with myself to trade this one. Okay, so I'm just gotta wait. If they move, you know, whatever. But I'm not taking this one for sure. So yeah, we're waiting still, guys. To be fair, guys, I can show the confluence on the second chart. I'm looking right now. Also, you see the confluence is pretty good. To be fair, oh, I dropped puking here. You know, we leave the traders trap basically on the flows as I showed you, but still the close doesn't look that good. Okay. So I still wouldn't take it. To be fair, I'm good with myself that I didn't took it. Yeah, and also I think we might move, you know, set these highs here or something like this. I don't think that's the puke before the fact. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think we should still wait and see what is going to happen. I don't think that's the one we should take here. So yeah, I'm still waiting. You know, the highs are looking good. Maybe we just beat the liquidity, basically to run past it. But it's still looking good for a potential sweep or deviation. We leave the pure highs. Let me take a screenshot for you. We are leaving right now pure highs, so yeah, we might get a tail here and trade back. So yeah, that's it, guys. What I wanted to say, and yeah, we still going to wait here and see what is going to happen. But this one didn't work out. No entry reasons for me here. Okay, guys, as you can see, we're breaking down. So great, we didn't took out the long. As expected, it closed pretty shit. But yeah, but we still can close swing. Create a swing failure here on the 15-minute chart, which actually will be looking pretty good. Also on the if. Let me actually check the flows. Yeah, we're leaving the trader's traps here. So it is actually looking pretty good. Let me check the here. As you can see, we grab the lows here. So yeah, if they will be able to push the price higher here. Close a bit above the lows here. I actually might take a long here. Yeah, I would prefer actually for it to be if, because the structure is more cleaner with confluence of TPO. So yeah, we will be watching here on the 15-minute chart, and yeah, if we'll be breaking down the lows, not much to trade for me, and I will probably go because yeah, it was not much. So I will probably just end the stream and maybe open another one on the FAT. I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, right now I'm waiting for the 15-minute to close. So to be fair, to take the long on the if, I would need to see closing on the BTC also sweeping these highs here, because it would make much sense. Stop will be okay, not that wide. Yeah, the hour are looking good, so I actually might do this one for half of an hour, but yeah, we'll see. If the 15 will drop, probably will cut these stops, losses, because we shouldn't actually trade that. We should leave a tail here. So yeah, we'll see how it's gonna end up. doesn't look good, guys. As you can see, we are still trading below the lows actually, and if pushed, but you know, it's not something I would trade, to be fair, because of the BTC chart. But yeah, the order flow looks good. As you can see, we sweep the Asian session lows on the 15-minute chart, but still we have the Asian session lows, which actually I don't know what Asian session range is, but New York will need to change to yeah, something like that will be okay, basically. I don't know why it doesn't show the time, so let me go back to 30. Okay, yeah, let's do this like this because it's messy, but yeah, we're probably going to close down, so again we'll probably just are not going to take this trade. BTC looks like it might go for the lows, and I don't know how far it will go, so even though if chart is looking good, I'm not going to open the long here because of the BTC chart, basically. So yeah, we'll just need to still wait for the opportunity to come. Unfortunately, we didn't have anything to trade today, so I mean, until at least for now, but yeah, it is what it is. If we will be able to close high like this, I will be considering opening a long, sorry, if yeah, they pushed price super high, to be fair. It's not looking good for entry because like, what can I, the stop loss is so tight, but for one maybe, but yeah, still we have to wait here. Yeah, I mean, looks good. Let me real quick see here. Yeah, that will be right. Yeah, I mean, it's hard to really tell, you know, guys, what will happen here. Looks like a nice puke, but I don't know. I might be risk on, to be fair, on here on the US Open, but that will be a nice opportunity, I think. Yeah, so I am opening small long here. Yeah, I opened along for half of an hour. So yeah, because of the timing. So basically what I'm trying to do here is I'm just you know, in 50 minutes we will be trading the US Open. Maybe some people will buy before the FOMC, so I think that will be a nice opportunity to trade along here after this puke here. So yeah, we'll see what is going to happen, and yeah, just gotta wait now, and we'll see how the position will go. If we will lose, you know, what can I do? It is what it is, guys. That's the trading reality. But the flows look good. As you can see, we left trade is dropped. But it's a nice setup before the US Open, basically. So yeah, we'll see what is going to happen. guess as you can see, I got stopped out. It was worth trying. So yeah, as you can see, we are going lower for the US, and if we will be able to close down below the lows here, I will end the stream, because not much can happen. And yeah, that will be the end, because the Fed, it will be hard to, okay, I will not end the stream, but I will not be in front of the computer. I will be back on the Fed, because not much can happen basically. But yeah, as you can see, the timing looks good. 15 minutes is closing, but 30 also. So yeah, maybe we'll leave a tail on the 30-minute chart. If that's the case, I will be being this up here after the swing failure. So yeah, so just the last chance for some longs here. If they will be looking good, I might be in. And yeah, we are puking. Also I think the shorts are opening, because maybe the Y doesn't show this, but funding is going down currently, and the delta is nicely to the downside, not that high though right now, which is pretty interesting. But yeah, right now we just gotta wait and wait what is going to happen. Let me check this out real fast if something is happening right now. We just retested we did tested basically the support or resistance to support flip. If we'll be able to move higher, that will be awesome today for the trade on SAO. Yeah, just gotta wait right now, and we'll see what is going to happen. Nothing on ETH to trade, only the highs sweep. So yeah, just gotta wait here. Probably gonna leave a tail here and trade back. So that's what I'm hoping for, and we'll see what is going to happen. Alright guys, so as you can see we traded below the lows here. Actually super fast, we triggered some stops. So I think we might actually go and try for a quick long, nice manipulation here, done basically. So yeah, we might go for it. Let me actually see the TPO chart also. Yeah, we took out the last low, left a nice tail, huge OI rising, so it looks good to be fair, but yeah, we still need to wait a bit. And let me actually jump here. As you can see, we took out low. Well, yeah, they trading to the downside again. Huge shorts openings. So someone probably just sold decent amount of BTC. I don't think that's stop loss is triggered here, to be fair. Well, yeah, as you can see, we puked super fast here, basically. So yeah, I think that's all, guys, for today's session. As you can see, we are moving lower, closing. So yeah, that will be the end of the stream. I will probably start another one on the Fed at 7 p.m. But yeah, right now nothing to play for me here, and I'm just waiting, guys. So yeah, that's all, guys. Thank you for the stream, and see you later.